Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 09 June 2018, 05 of hour, 25 of minute and 55 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do you get the sound back on your computer? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do you get the sound back on your computer. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how do you get the sound back on your computer. Sound card, click the Start button, select Control Panel, and then choose System and Security. Click on Device Manager in the Systems section and enter your administrator password, if prompted. Double-click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.